Hi, we're here in Malay Malay for the Kaamulan Festival 2009 and we're here at Mindy's to take our early lunch. And that's our food. Ano nga na din?
Shanghai fried rice.
Shanghai fried rice. And sinigang fish. Fish sinigang. And
Sizzling. It's not so sizzling. Sizzling. It's dead.
It's dead.
Oh no.
Because it's nice. So let's
Yung place na yun.
Nope. What's a joke?